28s, heavy Chevys, watch them skate out on the freeway. I'm cruising this on replay, never could get a ticket. Slow lane, bumping SOS band, just reminiscing.
All right, y'all. So on the next step, had to make sure that box was straight. You know what I'm saying? The box straight. I'm gonna seal it up a little bit better, but the box is solid, it's straight. So we picked up the subs, 210s kickers. That's what we running with. That's what we going with. Been had it for a little while. But like I said, I just want to make sure that sub box was straight, which it is. So that's what we rocking with. Just picked up the amp. That was the last piece of the puzzle. So we can go ahead and complete this. So we running with this Class D amp, 800 watt, 400 RMS. So y'all can see, run a kicker, everything. That's how we rolling. That's how we rocking. So y'all stay tuned. We're gonna go ahead and try to put all this stuff together. But y'all keep it locked, and I'll catch y'all back on. All right, let's go. Yeah, my fault, y'all. I had to turn y'all back on. So this is last minute right here. I went ahead and picked this up. Of course, you know, we got the regular amp right there for the subs, but I went ahead and picked this up as well. I don't need it technically, cause my interior speakers, they is, you know what I'm saying, good quality. But I bought this 4-channel amp to amplify, you know what I'm saying, get a little bit more power out of my interior speakers, you know what I'm saying. So I went ahead and picked this up off Amazon. It wasn't a little bit, nothing. It wasn't too much, you know what I'm saying. But brand new, just a little 400 watt, 4-channel amp. And yeah, like I said, to give a little bit more power to my interior speakers. So we're gonna see what that do and whatnot. But yeah, I just wanna, you know what I'm saying, update y'all, let y'all know about that. Like I said, last minute pickup. So yeah, we good. The next step, like I said, we be installing all this. And we're gonna see what it do. So alright, I'll cut y'all back on. Alright, you already know what it is. Let's go. Took the old single den out, got that out of there. Switching up the wires. Got the red, black, and yellow down there. For the new one, I already slapped it in. The new bezel right there. Well, actually, I'm using my original bezel with the vents. So doing that. Got these right here. Get ready to install the new den. Carplay. Got Carplay. Alright. So we're gonna go ready to test it, and I'll catch y'all back on. Alright.
Go put the key on. Turn it one more. Turn the key off.
All the way.
All the way, yeah. Make sure it turns off. Turns off. All right.
All right.
Good.
Turn on the light. All right. Kill it.
I gotta connect the RC.
Gotta drill holes in these brackets right here to mount them. This one I'm mounted that up on the head. The equalizer right there. So I'm mounted up under there. So it's gonna look like that. Pull it down. It's gonna look like that. Gotta mount these brackets. You good? I'm just going to get the power.
What I was doing. You know what? Don't even matter. Route this back.
There's some work out here. What up, y'all? I'm fresh off vacation. I don't know where I left off at when I was recording. For the subs and the amp, all that wiring and stuff like that. But it was definitely like an all-day affair. Shout out to the homie Aaron. He did this big one. You know what I'm saying? I definitely was helping along. It took us all day, literally the all day. Just tweaking, tuning the subs, tuning the amp, just making sure it's right. It's definitely some deep low bass, but you can hear all the words. Sounding real good, pretty good. So I'm just gonna go ahead and show y'all. Like I said, I don't know where I left off at when I was recording. But I'm gonna go ahead and just show y'all. It's definitely complete. I think I gotta go back and tune the bass a little bit, but I mean, honestly, right now it sounds great. I ain't gonna lie to you, it sounds great. It do. But I'm gonna just show y'all the setup as far as what I went with and everything like that. All right, turn y'all around. So you got the 2 amps up top, the boss and the kicker. This one right here for my speakers. Right there, speaker right there, speaker right here, and of course, you know, the 2 on the dash, and then the amp, kicker amp for my subs. One with the 210s, just sitting back there comfortably, as you can see. So that's what we went with. Definitely sounding pretty good. Got that little thing right there to help. Like I said, that's the setup. Got the bass I wanted. Everything, like I said, good. Ain't really got no issues like that. And so that's what we running right there. Pretty much. I don't know what else to even say. Oh yeah, I did change out the single den. So I got that Carplay in there. I got that Carplay. I think it's like a 6. It's like a 6-inch. I got that in there. Let me see. Got the Navi. Got the Navi with it. Let me see. One second, y'all. There you go. It's touchscreen too. Let's see. Oh, I undid my Bluetooth. But yeah, got Bluetooth and all that, navigation, all that good stuff. But yeah, it worked pretty good. Got the remote to it. Aaron just ended up letting me get that. Of course, y'all know I had a single den, but he let me get this because he upgraded to an iPad. So went ahead and just let me get this. As y'all see, radio, USB, all that good stuff. Like I said, I do got the Navi too. When I hook up my Bluetooth, you can see the navigation on it. We went ahead and hooked up an Equalizer. I'm saying I control my bass, speakers, all that. This works pretty good too. Works real good. So we went ahead and installed that as well. Located, we had to create the brackets on there, as you seen like on the video earlier. I was talking about those brackets, so we got that mounted up. USB right here. But yeah, that's the setup. Like I said, got the Equalizer right there, the Carplay with the navigation, and like I said, the 2 amps with the 210s, one with 210s. So it worked out just like that. Ran it right there. Not hooked up to my battery. I got it hooked up to one of the grounds up top by the fuse relay. I didn't hook it up to my battery. We did it just like that. Y'all already know. And ran through there. Had to come up. But yeah, that's the setup. Tell me what y'all think. I may give you like a little sample on my shorts. So just check out the shorts. I may have a little sample in there on the shorts. I can't do it on the video and whatnot. But yep. Let me know what y'all think. That's the setup. So we done with the audio basically. All done with the audio. Done deal. Like I said, got the Equalizer, Carplay, and the 2 amps and the subs. And everything working good. So I appreciate y'all, you know what I'm saying, following me, you know what I'm saying, checking out the journey. all that. You know what I'm saying? Hit that like button for me, subscribe, and hey, it's a done deal. You know what I'm saying? We on to the next thing. We on to the next thing. We gonna see what comes in store for us. I think I gotta do. You know, we'll talk about it another time. We'll talk about it another time. But yeah, y'all leave a comment. Like I said, hit that like button for me. Y'all subscribe to the channel if you ain't subscribed. Y'all already know the slogan. You know what I'm saying? Keep doing what you gotta do. That by any means way. All right, catch you on the next one.